T for Tech. Today we're gonna unbox MacBook Pro 2021 with 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of SSD storage, and M1 Pro chip. So this is inside the box what we get. This is the M1 Pro MacBook 2021 16 inch. Sorry, and let's just take the paper aside and. Okay, so this is the MacBook itself. So let's just open it up, and this is what we get. It's a little bit thicker, but the Apple says it's having a better performance and better life as compared to the previous models. So let me just set it up. So before setting it up, let me show you inside the box. Inside the box, we get the same Apple old look, which is the user manual, MagSafe charger, Apple charging wire, and that's all. And inside the user manual, we also get the Apple stickers, and that's all. And this is the Apple MagSafe charger, which is 140 watt, and it's super fast. Okay, so this is the braided wire, Type-C from one side and MagSafe from the other side, and MagSafe is back, so I'm just loving it. Okay, so these are the specs I've got. macOS Monterey on the on the first boot up, M1 Pro chip, 16 gigs of RAM, and that's all. Okay, so let me just take you to the left side. We get the MagSafe, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and 1 headphone jack. And on the right side, we get the HDMI port, Type-C port, and a micro SD card reading port, and that's all. And on the front side, we got the same old speakers, pro level speakers, same old keyboard, same Forces trackpad, and on the top of the screen, we got the new notch screen display. That's all. So that's all for today. If you like this video, go subscribe my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks, guys.